name is Avya. Do you know it is rainy season? We will make some spicy thing today like corn chaat. So let's make it. Let me show you what we need. Corn, tomato, aloo bhujia, onion, coriander, chaat masala, salt, chili and lemon juice. So let's start. First we will put corn. Now we will put half tomato. Now we will put onion. Now we will put coriander. Now we will put green chili. So let's mix it. Now I will put the spices, chaat masala and salt. Now lemon juice. Now I will mix it. Now we will put aloo bhujia, serve it light. Now I will mix it. Yummy tangy chaat is ready. Now I will taste.